Every time you have to print a spreadsheet with multiple pages, it is more presentable and professional to have the headers appear on every page like so. But what most Excel users do is to have the header appear just on the first page alone without appearing on other pages. To make the header appear on all pages, what you should do is to go to the Page Layout tab, and under the Page Setup group, you click on this Launch button, click on Sheet, click on Rows to Repeat at the top button, then you select the particular row you want to appear at the top, then you click the button or you click Enter, click OK. Use Ctrl P to go back to your print preview. Scroll through all the several pages. Your document is now ready for printing.